Hey everyone, ever hit send on an email and wonder, just how secure is this thing, really? In our busy digital lives, webmail, checking your Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo right in your browser is our daily go-to. It's super convenient, absolutely. But here's the thing, without the right protection, those personal messages, those important work updates, even your banking alerts, they could be open books to prying eyes. Today, we're diving deep into the world of webmail encryption. We're going to break down how it works, what shields your messages, and most importantly, how you can keep your browser-based email truly private and protected. So let's talk about the digital shields that protect your email. Imagine your web browser and the email server, like Gmail's server, are trying to have a super secret conversation. First up, we have TLS, Transport Layer Security. Think of TLS like building a secure, encrypted tunnel just for your browser and that email server. When you see https:// in your browser's address bar, that little S is the key. It means TLS is active. Everything you send and receive during that session, your password, your emails, it's all scrambled inside this tunnel. This prevents casual snooping, especially if you're on public Wi-Fi. It's like a private road for your data. Now, TLS is fantastic for protecting your email in transit as it travels. But here's a crucial point, it doesn't encrypt your email once it lands on the server or after the recipient opens it. It's like the secure road ends at the destination. You might also hear about SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. This is basically TLS's older sibling. It did the same job, but it's largely been replaced by the more robust TLS due to some security issues. So when people say SSL today, they're almost always referring to its stronger, newer version, TLS. But what if you want true, ironclad privacy where no one, not even your email provider, can read your message? That's where end-to-end encryption, or E2E, comes in. Imagine locking your message in a digital vault before it even leaves your device. Only the person you sent it to has the key to unlock it on their device. Your webmail provider just sees scrambled data. They have no idea what's inside. It's the ultimate privacy solution. Here's the catch, while TLS is standard for pretty much all webmail, true end-to-end encryption isn't a default feature for big players like Gmail or Outlook. You usually find it with specialized, privacy-focused email services or by using browser extensions. Let's look at how popular webmail providers approach encryption. Gmail, Google Mail, they use TLS extensively and they encrypt your emails when they're stored on their servers, what we call encryption at rest. But for regular users, native end-to-end encryption isn't built in. Outlook.com, Microsoft, similar to Gmail, they fully support TLS and encrypt your data at rest. If you're a Microsoft 365 subscriber, there are advanced options for sending encrypted messages, but it's not native E2EE for everyone. Now, for those who prioritize maximum privacy. ProtonMail, this service is built from the ground up with native, client-side end-to-end encryption. When you send an email to another ProtonMail user, it's encrypted before it leaves your browser and only decrypted when they view it. All your emails are also stored encrypted on their servers. Tutanota, very similar to ProtonMail, Tutanota offers built-in E2EE for communication between their users. They even have a secure way to send encrypted emails to non-Tutanota users via a password-protected link. And yes, all emails stored on their servers are encrypted. What if you love your current webmail but want that extra layer of E2EE? That's where browser extensions come in handy. End-to-end encryption extensions like Mailvelope, these integrate PGP encryption directly into your webmail. You encrypt your message before you hit send, and the recipient needs a compatible PGP setup to decrypt it. It brings true E2EE to services that don't offer it natively. Phishing detection extensions, these are superheroes. They analyze links and email content, warning you about potential phishing attempts, malicious links, or suspicious attachments before you click. They're a vital defense against social engineering, which is a massive threat. Alright, here's the absolute truth. No matter how fancy the encryption, your daily habits are your strongest defense. 1. Strong passwords and two-factor authentication. 2FA, use long, complex, and unique passwords for every webmail account. And please enable 2FA. This is a second layer of security, like a code from your phone, that protects you even if someone gets your password. It's the most important thing you can do. 2. Regular updates. Keep your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and your operating system updated. These updates aren't just about new features, they include crucial security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers love to exploit. 3. Click with caution. Phishing is rampant. Never click on suspicious links, even if they look legitimate. Hover over links to see the real URL. Verify senders, especially if they're asking for sensitive info. And absolutely do not open unexpected attachments, especially executable files or weird archives from unknown sources. Now, let's be real. Even with all these protections, there are still some limitations. Man-in-the-middle, MITM, attacks. While TLS helps, a sophisticated attacker who compromises your computer or tricks you into installing a malicious certificate could potentially bypass TLS. This is why vigilance is key. Browser vulnerabilities. If there's a flaw in your browser itself, it could be exploited, compromising your webmail session. Again, this highlights why regular updates are non-negotiable. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at tealeris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Tealeris works in real time, just ask for a demo through our contact form. Now, back to business. Server-side encryption limitations. For providers like Gmail or Outlook, while your data is encrypted at rest, they still hold the keys. This means, in theory, the provider themselves or government agencies with proper legal orders could access your unencrypted emails on their servers. This is precisely why privacy advocates push for true end-to-end encryption. So, if maximum privacy and true end-to-end encryption are your top priorities, you might want to look beyond the mainstream. End-to-end encrypted email services. Services like ProtonMail and Tutanota are built from the ground up for E2EE.11. They make managing encryption easy, so you don't need to be a tech wizard. Self-hosted email solutions for the truly technical, or for organizations hosting your own email server, gives you ultimate control. But be warned, it requires serious expertise. Secure email clients, desktop-based, using desktop email apps like Outlook or Apple Mail, combined with things like SMIME or PGP, can give you robust end-to-end encryption and direct control over your private keys. In our increasingly digital world, securing your webmail isn't just a good idea, it's an absolute necessity. From the foundational protection of TLS that secures your connection to the robust end-to-end encryption offered by specialized providers or browser extensions, you have so many layers of defense at your fingertips. By understanding how webmail encryption works, choosing providers that match your privacy needs, leveraging those handy browser extensions, and most importantly, practicing vigilant online habits, you can dramatically enhance the security of your browser-based email. Don't leave your digital conversations vulnerable. Prioritize webmail security and encryption to ensure your privacy and peace of mind in every message you send and receive. Want to elevate your webmail security even further? We've got a free security checklist at tealeris.com to help you integrate these vital practices. And if you're still not sure about the best tools for your setup, our privacy experts are available for a free consultation. And for a glimpse into the future of email security, consider requesting a live demo of our AI-Powered Encryption Assistant. It's a smart solution that automates encryption and enhances risk detection, turning your webmail from a vulnerability into a secure fortress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.